Students, our next topic is mixed grouping of cells. If the cells are connected as shown in this figure, then they are said to be in mixed grouping. In mixed grouping, some cells are connected in series to form a row, and a number of such rows are connected in parallel. In mixed grouping, some cells are connected in series to form a row, and a number of such rows are connected in parallel. Let there are n cells in series combination in one row, and m such rows are connected in parallel. Suppose all the cells are identical, each having a EMF E and internal resistance R. In each row, as there are n cells, therefore total internal resistance of one row is NR. R is the internal resistance of one cell, and total EMF of one row is NE. E is the EMF of one cell. Since m rows of cells are in parallel, m rows हैं यहाँ पर, so therefore total internal resistance of all the cells, because in parallel combination total internal resistance is 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2 plus 1 upon R3 and so on. Therefore 1 upon Rp is equal to 1 upon Nr, because total internal resistance of one row is Nr. 1 upon Nr plus 1 upon Nr up to m terms, because there are m rows. This can be written as m into 1 upon Nr, because there are m terms. This can be written as m upon Nr. Taking its reciprocal, Rp become Nr upon m. Now the total resistance of the circuit become resistance of the external resistor plus total internal resistance of all the cells. Therefore total resistance of the circuit is R plus Nr upon m. As all the rows of cells are in parallel, therefore effective EMF of all the cells is equal to EMF of one row of cells. EMF of one row of cell is Ne. Therefore this is Ne. Now therefore current in the external resistance R, I is total EMF upon total resistance. Total EMF was Ne and total resistance was R plus Nr upon m. Therefore this become, on solving this, Mne divided by Mr plus Nr. Therefore current in the external resistor R, this is total EMF upon total resistance. Total EMF of all the cells was Ne and total resistance was R plus Nr upon m. Taking its LCM 1 and m, this become Mr plus Nr. M goes on the upper side, therefore this become Mne divided by Mr plus Nr. The current will be maximum if this resistance Mr plus Nr is minimum. That is Mr plus Nr is minimum. Now Mr can be written as root Mr its whole square, because square and square root cancel each other. Nr can be written as root Nr its whole square. This should be minimum for current to be maximum. This can also be written as root Mr square plus root Nr square minus 2 root Mr Nr plus 2 root Mr Nr. यही टर्म जोड़ दी और यही टर्म घटा दी, एडिंग एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग इक्वल टर्म्स. Now this is the formula of a square plus b square minus 2ab, which is a minus b का whole square, which is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Therefore a square plus b square minus 2ab, this can be written as a minus b का whole square. A is root Mr and b is Nr, root Nr. Therefore a minus b का whole square, and this is plus 2 root Mr Nr. This should be minimum for current to be maximum. Now this will be minimum if root Mr minus root Nr is 0, because square of negative term is positive and square of positive term is positive. If root Mr is greater than root Nr, then this is positive, this whole term is positive, square of positive is positive. If root Mr is less than root Nr, then this will be negative, square of negative term is also positive. Therefore this whole term will be minimum if root Mr minus root Nr is 0. Therefore taking this to right hand side, root Mr is equal to root Nr, Squaring both sides, MR is equal to NR. Therefore, R is equal to NR upon M. If R is equal to NR upon M, then this will be minimum. Therefore, R was the external resistance, and root NR upon M, this was the total internal resistance of all the cells in mixed grouping. Total internal resistance of all the cells in mixed grouping. Therefore, in mixed grouping, current drawn is maximum if the value of external resistance is equal to total internal resistance of all the cells in mixed grouping. Then current will be maximum.